Did you know that the average person spends more than 40 years of their life working? What if I told you there's a way to make money work for you while you enjoy your time? Can you imagine receiving constant payments without having to actively work for them? This is not a trick or a fantasy. It's the reality of passive income, a strategy that can bring you closer to financial freedom. Today, I'm going to show you how some people earn thousands of dollars each month, even while they sleep. And I'm not just going to tell you what they do, but how you can start today. Stay with me, because the ideas I'm going to share with you can completely change the way you earn money. In the end, I'll give you essential tips to avoid the most common mistakes that many people make when trying to generate passive income. Let's begin. To begin with, what is passive income? It's money that you generate recurrently without needing to be actively involved all the time. This doesn't mean it's free or easy money. It requires initial work, but once established, the income flows with less effort. For example, writing a book can take months, but once published, you can continue earning royalties for years. Or investing in real estate. It requires initial capital, but a rented property can generate constant income month after month. Now that we understand what passive income is, let's talk about how you can implement it in your lives. Idea 1. Create digital content. One of the most popular ways to generate passive income today is to create digital content. Whether it's a YouTube channel, a blog, or even a podcast, the content you publish can continue generating income through ads, sponsors, or affiliate products. For example, I recently read about a creator who started recording videos about their hobbies. They did it as a personal thing, but over time, their videos started generating thousands of views. With each video, they earn money from ads and partnerships. Key tip: find a topic that you are passionate about and that also has an audience. The consistency and value you offer will make the difference. But what if you don't like creating content? Here comes a more traditional idea. Idea 2. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is a classic. Buying a property and renting it out can be a reliable source of passive income. The important thing here is to choose the location well and make sure that the property can remain profitable in the long term. A friend of mine bought a small apartment in a tourist area and listed it on platforms like Airbnb. Today, that property not only covers their mortgage, but also generates additional income every month. Key tip: research real estate markets and look for properties that have high rental demand. Also, be sure to calculate additional costs like taxes, maintenance, and possible vacancies. But you don't need large sums of money to start. The next idea proves it. Idea 3. Stock dividends. Did you know that you can earn money simply by investing in the right stocks? Dividend stocks pay you regularly for being a shareholder. Companies like Coca-Cola or Microsoft have been paying dividends for decades. For example, if you invest $1,000 in a stock that pays a 5% dividend, you will be receiving $50 a year. As you reinvest those dividends, your income grows, thanks to compound interest. Key tip: research stable companies with a solid history of paying dividends. This is not a quick gamble, but a long-term strategy. Now, if you prefer something more practical and less dependent on the market, this will interest you. Idea 4. Online courses or ebooks. If you have experience in any subject, why not share it by creating an online course or an ebook? Once created, you can sell it on platforms like Udemy or Amazon Kindle and continue generating income. For example, I know someone who turned their passion for photography into an online course. At first they didn't sell much, but over time and with a little marketing, now they earn thousands of dollars a month. Key tip: create content that solves a specific problem. The more useful your course or book is, the easier it will be to sell. Now let's look at an ideal idea for tech lovers. Idea 5. Create a digital tool. If you have programming skills or can partner with someone who does, consider developing an app or digital tool. Think of simple but useful apps, like organization calendars or habit trackers. A developer I know created an app to manage personal finances. It started as a small project, but today it generates constant income thanks to its monthly subscriptions. Key tip: focus on solving a specific problem and make sure to offer an excellent user experience. Last but not least, let's talk about a more accessible approach. Idea 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to generate passive income by recommending products or services. If you have an audience on social media or a website, you can earn commissions for each sale you generate through your links. For example, if you recommend a book on Amazon and someone buys it using your affiliate link, you will get a percentage of the sale. Key tip: only promote products you truly believe in. The trust of your audience is the most valuable thing. Now that you know these ideas, it's time to put them into practice. There you have it. 6 practical ideas to generate passive income. None of these options are easy in the sense that they don't require effort, but they can all change your life if you decide to commit. The first step is to choose an idea that resonates with you and start today. Remember, passive income is not built overnight, but the small steps you take today can lead you to a freer and more secure financial future. If this content has been helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who also wants to start generating passive income. See you in the next video, where we will continue building our path to success together.